Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Tuesday the 27th of October. As the countdown really is underway for the US general election, we're really seeing this consolidation of price action. News-wise today, I don't think it'll make a significant difference. It's core durable goods. The consumer confidence won't even hit the Richter scale at all, but maybe core durable goods will get a little blip, but we've seen very little in the way of data moving the markets at the moment of any significance. It's more rhetoric regarding potential financial support, etc., which is the mover. This fundamental news is really nothing significant. Okay, so we'll have something tomorrow, of course. So we've got the ECB tomorrow. So aside of that, then looking at the currencies technically, well, they're, as I say, range bound. There is some movement in this. I'm looking at this euro, still looking to see maybe it's got the potential of continuing this sort of move down towards its the 4-hourly 50. Just looking at it, it's got the potential there. Just looking, bearish pivot swing, and well, that's triggering at this stage, so we could be back on down towards, I was looking yesterday for this 6200. It did pitch up a little bit further, but it could be, that's where we could be going. It's obviously got some support around these levels now. May have there were buy orders sitting quite tight underneath here. We may have a few sell orders from the buyers from this market as it's gone up there. It has been quite a solid old point of support there, and it's just short. It's 118, a solid number there, real whole number even, solid number. New term, okay. So that may find support of that, but it does look soft still. The pound certainly has 3 days down now. It's into this sort of muck of moving averages. Still looks softish. A bit of decent news coming out of Europe could switch this quite quickly, but lower highs, lower lows through here. As I say, it does look soft. Again, just coming into some areas of support there. S1 could be a decent initial target, may run through that and still stay in this range. I did yesterday. I was looking at channels. It's a softish channel this is running through. So anyway, it's as I say, it does look like maybe S1 could be in order if it continues in this direction. Yen, well, the yen's a funny old one. It's consolidating one day, next day it's sort of moving a little bit, mainly consolidating, and we've seen lots of consolidation, nothing there to be done on a daily basis, so not really worth looking at. May come into play with some of the crosses, but it's mainly because it's not moving very much, and the cross is. The Aussie dollar, another one consolidating day after day here at the moment. It's in this very tight range. At some point some of these markets are really going to fly, but the Aussie is just too tight at the moment. It's again, at the short term, it looks like it may just roll south here. So it looks like it's going to continue. Again, bearish pivot swing sitting in there at the moment. This could just roll back again towards that weekly pivot, maybe even through that to the S1. So Aussie dollar looking soft at the moment. So all these markets really looking soft, which to a degree it sort of it makes me wonder if they've actually got anything left in them. But there's fresh moves. Canadian dollar still pushing, looking like it's got more upside there again. Yesterday, well, it's sort of ended up on a little down day, but overall it's been pushing up in this sort of quite solid move there. I say over day, last night rather, it ended up in this, but it's yesterday solid day up on the dailies there, but 4 hourlies, well, bit of a retrace, but that's looking at the moment like that's probably got more upside as well, so all correlated at least and looking fine. Elsewhere, S&Ps, well, took a hammering yesterday. It's just come out a little bit, so you see that sort of quite biggish bar there. I suspect it just continued on the route down south side. I think it's the easiest route. Here's the channel I put on yesterday. So okay, just broke through its channel there a little bit, but managed to bounce from around those sort of actually it came off its weekly S2 there. Managed to bounce back. Well, looking like it's back on its way down there at the moment. So again, risk, it really sits to the downside for the S&Ps. Oil, I was looking at yesterday morning, it sort of looked like it had a bit of a chance, but then, well, it just continued and rolled over. It never set up in the afternoon. And again, it really looks soft here. On this is a 4-hourly chart here. It's already through its S1, weekly S1, looking like it's setting up for the S2 there. So again, looks soft. $38, 38.30, 38.14 could be on the books there. So it does look like, as I say, there's more downside in this oil price. Okie dokie, that's pretty much it for me for this morning. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.